Grumpy old troll. Look at my hand. I'm going to start my right hand here in C position, left hand in the bass C position. My 4 is on F. So I'll be jumping, hold, and left hand jumps on a 4th. Jump. Go down the scale. Hold. Wait. Hold. Hold. Back to jumping. A third, a fourth. Go down 2 octaves if you have the space on your piano. If not, you can just go 1 octave lower. Jump, jump. Follow me here on the right hand. I start with my 4 on middle F, thumb on middle C. I'll be jump, jump, hold. Jump. Connect down the scale. C, D, C, E, C, F. A second, a third, a fourth. 5, 4, 3, 2. Same as the beginning. Smoothly glue your fingers together. Hold the C down all the way to the end. Let's look at the left hand. We're going to put our thumb onto G below the middle C and 4 on D. So this is a 4th. Let's jump. And jump again. To the next line, hold down the G. Right hand keeps jumping while the left hand holds. And then we go to play D. Keep holding while the right hand jumps. And then jump. G and D. Again. Last line, we're going to play a second, a third, a fourth. Rest. Second, third, fourth. If you can go down 2 octaves, let's 1 octave and down here to the second octave. 5 and 2 and 4.